Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to set an auto reply in new Outlook for Windows. To set up an auto reply for new Outlook for Windows, you will have to click on settings at the top right corner of your Outlook window and then click on automatic replies. Turn on automatic replies. Type your auto reply message. Under this, you can go ahead and set replies only during the time period. You can set the time and the date. And in case if you want your Outlook to block your calendar automatically during this interval, you can go ahead and check the box. At the same time, you can also make your Outlook to automatically decline a new invitation for the events that occur during this period. You can choose any of these options here. In case if you're using an exchange account within your organization, you will see an option which says send replies outside your organization. So you can draft a simple message or a simple auto reply message for the emails which are coming outside your organization. Click on save. With this, you will have the automatic reply enabled in your Outlook. Once it is done, your auto replies will be enabled in your Outlook. In case if you want to turn off the auto replies, you will have to go ahead and click on the settings at the top right corner of your Outlook window and then click on auto replies and turn on or turn off the automatic replies by using this toggle button and click on save. With this, the auto replies will be turned off in your new Outlook for Windows. So this is how you can go ahead and set an auto reply for your new Outlook in Windows. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.